Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Welcome to Hit the Streets. Last month, we had a really good sales meeting, and we talked a lot about team and the importance of team, and if our individual contributions and responsibilities really matter to a team. And one of the questions I asked was, does not meeting your goal affect the team? And every single sales rep said, yes, it did. Which was kind of interesting because right at that moment, only 6 of the 18 reps were projecting to hit their goal. So I couldn't help myself. I asked one of the reps not projected to meet their goal this question. I asked, what if you didn't meet goal this month, I took away your car? What would you do? He said, I'd meet goal. I asked, no matter what? He confirmed, no matter what. So what I took away from that exchange is that when you've got the urgency of no matter what, you can make things happen. But it's so much easier to have kind of a so what attitude. I'm not reaching my goal. So what? Not realizing the heavy burden that not meeting your goal puts on the team and the escrow officers and the state. But I know so what is so much easier than the urgency of no matter what. Heck, a tragic example is on TV. There's a woman speaking out of a hole in her throat, trying to convince people not to smoke. So rather than saying, I will not smoke no matter what, people have a tendency to say, so what? And are we a nation that's dealing with health issues and stress? I mean, almost every TV commercial last night was either vacation or medication. Rather than saying, I'm going to take care of my health no matter what, it's easier to say, so what? I mean, my gosh, there are incredible people that show bravery and hope and courage when they are faced with something and they make something happen no matter what. So what I want you to do starting today is delete the words so what from your life and from your mental thought. Start living your highest life no matter what. Right now it's time to hit the streets. Happy selling, everyone.